Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Get Over It by the Eagles on guitar using an easy method. First, let's tackle the verse. The main progression uses just 3 open chords: G major, C major, and D major. Start by practicing each chord individually, ensuring clear notes. Then, work on transitioning smoothly between G, C, and D. Aim for a clean change within 2 seconds. This foundation is crucial for the entire song. Next, let's add a simple strumming pattern. A basic down-down, up-up, down-up pattern works perfectly for this song. Focus on keeping your strumming hand relaxed and maintaining a steady rhythm. Try counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and as you strum. Emphasize the first downstroke of each measure to give it a solid feel. Practice this pattern with your G, C, and D chords. Now, let's move to the chorus and bridge sections. The chorus introduces an E minor chord, often followed by C, G, and D. The bridge might feature a slightly different sequence, perhaps including in a minor. Don't worry, these are also open chords. Take your time to learn these new shapes and practice the transitions. Remember, slow and steady practice builds muscle memory for these new chord changes. Finally, let's put it all together. Start by playing the entire song slowly, focusing on clean chord changes and consistent strumming. Use a metronome to help maintain a steady tempo, gradually increasing the speed as you feel more comfortable. Playing along with the original track at a reduced speed can also be very helpful. Dedicate about 15 minutes each day to practice, and you'll be playing Get Over It in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.